Alright, we are back, and it is time to make a feed. Yeah, we can stay here. Cool. So, as you see in our feed, we have these individual like little image tiles. So let's make a component for that. I guess we could say feed post, right? Because you could maybe have like a grid post as well. Eventually, we might want to take, we probably will want to take props from somewhere. We'll probably be doing an API call in the feed component itself and then passing down individual props. So I think we might even do that here. So we'll say feed post props. That's not that. Okay. And then we want to define it. Okay, we can leave that. And this we can return. Let's call it a div. Alright, and so style, or class name, is gonna be styles dot, no, I don't want that, styles dot feed post. And so in here, I'm gonna say feed post dot module dot css. Okay, and up top here we're gonna say feed post. Okay, cool. So I guess we can just start by giving it dimensions. So I kind of want to capture, let's zoom out a little bit. I kind of want to capture this whole thing. It looks like they have some borders. I don't think you're supposed to see those though. Ah, maybe you are. Okay. But basically one of these posts, right? That's from top to bottom here. Has an image, has likes, has a poster, has this, has some comments. So we'll, I think, try to at least get most of those mocked out. So I might honestly just write a few files to prepare myself. Okay, so what do we actually have here in our feed post? We have our, so like at the top here, right, we have our post header, let's say. And we might even actually put feed post in a folder of its own because it's going to have these subcomponents. So I'm going to do that actually. Let's be in here. And so we'll have something like a post header, right? And that'll probably take in at least a user ID or a user image maybe, as well as the name, and maybe this time stamp here. So let's do that. I'm just gonna copy paste some of this. Alright, and let's say post header dot tsx. Okay, nope, just once. Alright, I'm just gonna do post header I can't make it smaller. Then we have feed post header. Alright. Post header. You know. Just too much text, not enough screen space. My preferred way of coding is actually having at least 3 panels open at the same time on a bigger screen, but it's neither here nor there. Okay, so we got our feed post, great. Oh, sorry, no, this is the feed post header. This is the post header. Great. And in our post header, what are we gonna have? We're gonna have, we'll just kind of comment this out for now. We're gonna have profile picture, right? We're gonna have username. Maybe not all these have to be their own components, but we'll see. Then we have kind of like a little divider. I think this might just be like, we could style this div styled as like this dot divider. And then we have the timestamp, time since stamp, let's say, which also has cover full timestamp and some kind of date time for readable date time. And then we have this our little dot dot dots. What are these called? This is the hamburger breadcrumb? No, it's not breadcrumbs. What is the icon with the 3 dots called? No, it's not an ellipsis though. What are the vertical dots? Horizontal, vertical ellipsis, horizontal ellipsis, kebab mode, kebab menu, donor menu, meatballs menu. Okay, this is the meatballs menu. And then we're gonna have meatballs button, basically. Cool. And so basically we're gonna have something where, okay, we already have a div. I think we're gonna have probably another div which is gonna hold all of these things. And then the meatball menu will be over here by itself. Okay. Cool. And so I don't know where best to store the profile picture is going to be. That's going to be an interesting thing to do. So why don't from here we say we have username. We also might want to get that from store. Well, no. Where we would get it from this. Username is a string, and time since. Let's use timestamp. Yeah. It is a string, maybe it's date time. And okay, that's also far. So we'll say username, timestamp. And so username. I guess maybe it's one word. Username, timestamp. Timestamp. Okay. So what else do we have here? Then we have the image itself. Unclear if we're just gonna want to put a, like, let's say, naked image, or if we're gonna want to like wrap it in something. Right now, let's just say image this, and our source is gonna be, we should need like a, some kind of, alright, let's take one of these actually. I'm gonna steal. Alright. I don't want the right dimensions though. Okay, cool. Oh no, that has something on it, never mind. Whatever, we're doing this one. Excuse me. Alright, and this one, move in here. Can I do that? Yes. I'm gonna call this Antarctica. Okay. And from there, eventually, we'll be getting this, I believe, from an S3 bucket. But for now, I'm gonna put this here in public. Okay, great. Image source is Antarctica.png. Yeah. Okay, alt is Antarctica, and what is the height and width, let's say, of these? We're also going to want a height and width, we're also going to want a width, basically, a standard width for the post or the feed itself. 468, 468. Nice. Oh, and then we have to import image. It doesn't like this. Oh. We forgot to export. Then we're gonna do okay, great. What else do we have? We have this here, right? This is like our actions bar. So let's make one for that. What is wrong with you? Oh. Username is user timestamp. Later. Okay. Actions. Let's say post actions bar maybe. Post. Post actions bar. And then what else do we have? We have let's say post likes count, and then post caption, and then post comments, and then post add comment. Alright, And then I think that's it, right? That's kind of what we got here. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a lot of new files. I could use the command line. Components? Or am I in app? Post actions bar dot tsx. Does that work? Are you create a new file? Oh, touch? Yeah, touch. Right? Yes. Okay. So post likes count.tsx, touch post caption.tsx. Great, I have to fix that. Touch post comments keep doing that. Comments.tsx. Touch post add comment.tsx. Great. So for each of these, I'm just gonna come on. Likes count. Alright, I'm just gonna do one of these and import it into all of them. See? I should really have a key command for this. Post likes count. Say it's an FC with likes count props. Post likes count props. Okay. Equals this. Equals this. Okay. And yep, then we just need an interface. Post likes count props, right? With nothing in it, and then an export default. Post likes counts. Cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, fine. I'll do it this way. It's so fun when it's just one line, but I think this is just better for the eyes. Okay, great. I'm just gonna do this for all. I think we already did this one. Post comments. Post caption. Post add comment. And last but not least, post action bar. Alright. And so we're actually going to go back to our feed post now and import all these bad boys. Great. And then we're going to export default feed post. And then in the feed, we can have our first feed post. Yep. actually, I want 3. So I'm just going to make some dummy data for right now. Let's say posts data, and I'm gonna have 3. And right now we have no data, but we will add some. And so for this, we're gonna do posts data.map. And data. Cool. So each one of these will have a feed post, and which will take in the data, right? So just say data is data. And then in our feed post, we're going to say data. I think, can I just say it's this? I think so for now. Typing dictionaries is kind of always annoying in TypeScript. Like, why do I have to specify that the key is a string? Obviously the key is a string. Alright, what do we got here? Which one is this in? Feed post? Okay, do styles? Can I do the styles? Oh, yep. Because we gotta go up too. Whee! Does it work? Gosh, darn it. Oh, is this just in another one? Yeah, okay. So let's do this. We're gonna say if you have dot styles / feed. I guess that's just this one. So we're gonna see. Oh, look, we got our feed! Sort of. And actually, what do I want to do here? For the feed post... Actually, what do I do for feed? Is there a feed? No. Okay. And I say feed. And for this, we want to do display, flex. I'm going to do flex, direction, column, and let's do a gap of 16 pixels. Okay, I'm going to go back to my feed. I'm going to add this. And this I'm also going to probably create a height, or oh, sorry, a width. Antarctica. Are we getting compiled? Okay. Oh, is this somewhere else now? No. Should be there. Antarctica. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay. And yeah, what did we say for feed post? Right, we wanted this. Okay. Yeah. Width is, what was that other one? On the image. Say min height is going to be 400 pixels. Okay, cool. Our image is not loading for some reason. Antarctica. Is that... Am I spelling this right? Why can't it? But yay, look. Oh, we got our posts. 3 posts. I don't know why this image isn't showing up. Is it too big? Did I do it differently before? Nope, it looks the same. Okay, come on. I'll come back to it. But hooray, here we are. So let's go do some bare minimums for these. So for this actions bar, we're going to create a div, and it will definitely have, I'll just put this here for a second. Class name equal to styles dot, I can do it, import styles, dot, styles, speed post. Post.module.css. Cool. Okay. Class name is going to be styles dot post action bar, and it's going to have I guess there'll be buttons. We might as well make them buttons, I guess. You know, I'm just gonna make them divs for now. So this is gonna be heart. No, they don't like that. Okay. Really? Oh. Okay. And then we're gonna have another div, which is, I don't know, what is it? Little message. We'll give that an O. Big O. And actually, yeah, we're going to do a left and a right. So this will be div class name equals styles dot post action bar left. And go here. And then we'll have another one, which is div, and its class name is styles post action bar right. Okay. And we can do that, whatever. Post action bar post action bar if we even need that. And this would be display, flex, justify, content, space between. And this one would be also display, flex, but we're going to have them all right next to each other. Just give it a gap of 8 pixels. Okay, so that's a 0. That's a, what do we got? We got this guy, little Mr. Arrow. There we go. Let's share. And then this one is save. In the brackets. Alright. Let's see, just do anything? Do we win? Nice, we do win. Okay. I want this image to be like at least a minimum thing. So I'm gonna do this just for right now. I'm just gonna have a div here, and we'll come back to this. I just kind of want this for a visual effect. Let's say height. Pixels. Width, what did we say? 468 pixels. Great. Why? Oh. And we're gonna do a border too. Border. Oh yeah. 1 pixel solid. Let's do pink. And this should be this instead. Alrighty. Nothing? Nice, there we go. There we go. Oh, look, I loaded. Look who decided to load. Alright, so we want our actual feed post to have, I don't even know, let's say a height of 600. And these are things that we'll have to come back and fix, because we do have changes based on the image size. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, we'll have to I guess we could just do that by, here, I'm gonna do that right now. Cool. So yeah, let's say that our post, yeah. Okay, let's say that, okay, that's right, okay. I'll do that too. Okay, nice, cool. Yeah. Cool. So as you can see, clearly we have that. Bare bones. Alright, next is the likes count. And actually I'm gonna just put a little border around these guys. Never mind, it's fine. Cool, alright, so now let's go to the likes count. Cool. So also have a div, and the class name is, I should have imported styles in all of these. Styles dot post like count. And still it's big over here, but it is a little low over there, so let me read that one here. Post likes. Yep. I don't want to type that thing out again, so just do this. Okay. Great. Alright, and this is probably gonna get count from above. So let's say count. Alright, and here we will have that count. And so this will have that count, which number? It says number. Okay. And so then in feed, oh no, there's feed post. We'll do a feed post. Likes count, we're gonna do count is, yeah, I don't know if we'll want to pass in a formatted string or formatted in there, maybe formatted in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. And does it work? Let us see. Huh? Post likes count. And it's not properly renamed. What's that one, buddy? Yeah, this, I have to fix this later. This is the menu bars. Logic needs to be updated. It's fine. Okay, where's my counts? Post likes counts and say height 100 pixels. Width is going to be 100%. Here's my background color. So you can see it. I'm going too bright. Okay. No counts. Where are my counts? Where are my counts? Yeah, I know. Oh, look, how cute! It still works even when we do that. Amazing. So we got this. Feed post. What is this? What is that? Okay. So there's no... Seems like it to me. Oh. Aha. Of course. got our account. This many likes. Okay, cool. What's next? Next is the caption. Okay. So, caption. Alright. So what are we going to be taking in for this? We'll probably be taking in username. I think I should just make them lowercase. Make sure it's case. Let me see. Okay, username. Okay. Cool. So we got username, which is a string, and caption, which is also a string. Alright. We're going to have a div here, which is going to be class name equals styles dot post caption. No. And obviously to import styles from styles. Post. Alrighty. Great. We'll have a div for, and make this post caption. Display box. Just don't write next to each other. I'm going to do display inline, right? Because that's need to be in whatever. We'll figure it out later. It's gonna be username. And this is gonna be caption. And maybe we want a non-breaking space between them. And the two of them. My cat is awake, which may mean it is time for me to end this section. I can't do that, I guess. Meow, meow, meow. Alright, I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, that was it. So we can probably add those back. That's fine. Where? Okay, should be fixed. Yep. Alright, and so then back to our feed post. Our post caption is going to have a username, which is username. Alright, we're about to hop off here. And a caption, which is, this is my interesting caption for my beautiful image. Please enjoy. Alright, and let's see if that works. Oh my goodness. Amazing! Alright, I'm gonna hop off for now, and we'll return for another one. Oh, this guy does not stay. Actually, let's see something here. If we made him... position fixed. Okay. Cool. So that stays. We then just have to work on this. Alright, so I'll stop here, and I'll see you guys later.